हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. होप यू ऑल डूइंग ग्रेट. सो टुडे इज सैटरडे. तो जैसे मैंने बताया सैटरडे को कुछ डिफरेंट वीडियो होगा. तो एक्चुअली रिसेंटली मैंने एक फ़ोन परचेज़ किया था, तो मैंने सोचा कि उसका मैं रिव्यू बनाती हूँ. सो इट मे बी हेल्पफुल टू पीपल हु आर प्लानिंग टू बाई इट. सो दिस इज़ रेडमी का Xiaomi 10 Lite 5G फ़ोन है. तो इसका मैं आज पूरा रिव्यू देने वाली हूँ. सो कीप वॉचिंग. सो इट कम्स इन ए प्रिटी हार्ड केस और इसे ओपन करते ही अंदर ये इस तरह का एक पाउच टाइप का दिया हुआ है. सो इन दिस इट्स लाइक ए सिम स्लॉट पिन है यहाँ पे आगे से, एंड इनसाइड देर इज द pouch गिवन. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द सिम स्लॉट पिन टू द फ्रंट साइड, एंड इनसाइड एक कवर दिया हुआ है जिसमें यूजर मैनुअल एंड वारंटी कार्ड इज गिवन with all the instructions and different languages. User manual और warranty card दोनों है. And with this additionally this is the pouch given. This is a kind of like very comfortable colorless, I think it's silicone material pouch जो कि handy है and temporary usage है. आप चाहो तो different cover भी बाद में डलवा सकते हैं. And this kind of case is properly packed up, and inside इस तरह फ़ोन एक केस में रखा हुआ है. ये पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है इसकी, एंड यू सी ऑल द डिटेल्स स्पेसिफिकेशंस ऑफ द फोन इज गिवन हियर. इसका स्क्रीन जो है गोरिल्ला का है और 765G विथ 5G इसका रैम प्रोसेसिंग कुछ है, एंड 6.57 इंचेस का LED इसका स्क्रीन है. 48 मेगापिक्सल का इसका कैमरा है, क्वाड कैमरा, और विद एडिशन ऑफ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी एक्सेस कैमरास. एंड देन इसका बैटरी जो है 4160 mAh का बैटरी है. आई एम यूजिंग दिस फोन फ्रॉम ए वीक एंड बिलीव मी आई एम प्रीटी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द बैटरी. इसका चार्जिंग लेवल जो है विद इन 10 मिनट्स ये बहुत फास्टली क्विकली चार्ज होता है. जस्ट इन 10 मिनट्स इफ यू कीप इट विल चार्ज फ्रॉम 15% to 65% दैट फास्ट. और इसका चार्जिंग जो है स्टे भी करता है बहुत लॉन्ग तक. और अंदर अभी ये देख सकते हैं इस केस के अंदर ये चार्जिंग पिन और इसके साथ ये स्लॉट दिया हुआ है, एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ द कवर सराउंडेड टू इट. पैकेजिंग जो है बहुत खास है इसकी. नाउ लेट मी ओपन दिस थिन फिल्म विच इज़ सराउंडेड थ्रू आउट द फोन. तो इसे हम ओपन करके देखते हैं. इस फिल्म के ऊपर भी सारे डिटेल्स दिए हुए हैं इस थिन फिल्म के ऊपर, तो इसे मैं फेंकने नहीं वाली. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कीप इट सेफ. Wow, just look at the phone. It is in kind of a dark blue shade. बहुत ही प्यारा सा कलर है, and the light is reflecting towards front and back. I'm not any technical person, so overall I'm trying to cover what are all the details I know. I want to convey that to you so that it may be helpful to you. सो पीछे की तरफ ये देख सकते हैं 4 डिफरेंट कैमरास यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. शायद एक मैक्रो कैमरा है, प्राइमरी कैमरा है, सेकेंडरी कैमरा है, 48 मेगापिक्सल का क्वाड कैमरा है. एंड टू द डाउन साइड इस तरह का सिम स्लॉट है विद चार्जिंग पॉइंट एंड ऑडियो जैक्स. एंड टू द अपर टॉप इट्स ईयरफोन पिन, एंड टू द राइट साइड इट्स वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल एंड ऑन ऑफ बटन्स, एंड द लेफ्ट साइड इट्स प्लेन. So I'm now opening it. You select simply the language and your region, and the Wi-Fi network has to be connected. Then terms and conditions has to be accepted. That's it. Insert the SIM slots. SIM, they have given 2 nano SIMs here. I'm just boosting here the phone using the boosting app given by the phone. So it's pretty good. And now you see the movement and the working of the phone. It's pretty soft. You don't have to touch it like harshly. The screen is pretty soft. With just one tap, it is just moving very fast. And now let me show you the specifications and about the phone details. So this is Android version is Android 10. I'm not much particular about it. Maybe this is the new one because this is 5G. So if it is, just let me know in comments. And the other specifications, the memory is 128 GB internal storage they have given here, and the CPU, and it's all of Snapdragon 765G, and all the details which I had shared with you in the starting. And with this they have given an app which is Mi Mover. So within this you can use the files to be transferred outside and inside. through your phone, so no need to install a different app for that. And to the upper slide they have given pretty optional handy details here, like phone pickup and dark mode and all this screen record, lock screen, and all these options. You don't have to go to settings, just drag down the button and use it. And then I'm going to show you, they have given some games as well inbuilt, some 4 games. I will play a game and show it to you. Since this has a 6 GB RAM, so let's see कि इसके फ़ोन की कैपेसिटी में ये थोड़ा भी स्टक होता है या नहीं. So you got your answers. You see, it is not stucking anywhere. It's properly smooth and soft. And also let me show you any video quality through YouTube. Since this is a screen recorder, I don't know if it is able to capture much or not. I cannot show you the 4K videos, but I can show you the videos of my own, because there is a chance of getting copyright strike on my channel. So I'm just showing you my own video which I recorded through my old phone. This is not from this new phone, but still you can guess the quality and all. You see, it's pretty easy to slide down and up. It's very soft. And then let me share with you a very interesting detail: wallpapers. The wallpapers, I didn't see these kind of wallpapers in any other phones. This phone offers variety of lots of wallpapers. You just have to select any wallpaper in different sections, like animals, flowers, festivals, lot of items. So any wallpaper if you select, you just have to zoom in and you have to choose up to what point it has to be shown on the wallpaper. So you see these festive crackers, if I show up to here, this will be shown to my screen, and then you just have to click on apply. That's it. The wallpaper is select, simple and easy. So now let us talk about the camera of this phone. I will first share with you a video which I recorded in daytime. In camera they have given lot of options, starting from slow motion. Slow motion is a general video which can be slowed down a bit, and then short video. Short video, it's a like 1 minute video which comes in different forms, and just zooming in and showing you the camera quality. See, it shows in 0.9x times, then 0.6, 1x, 2x. Two double times it is going to zoom in up to that level. So the time is 6:30 here, and the climate is pretty damp, and it's able to capture all the colors. And then coming to the normal video, it is also 2x times zoom in. I feel the camera quality is pretty sharp, little bit sharp than as usual. Then we have here a lot of options. One option is steady video. Whenever you are taking a vlog while running, jogging, something, you can opt for this option. Then also they have given here some draft editing shortcuts. So I will show you an example. I have chose this model and now I'm going to shoot a video and show it to you how it comes. So it comes in like 5 to 6 small shots. We have to choose all the shots from where to where, and then this automatically records, and phone itself is going to edit and make it in a kind of short vlog. So which is really easy for you. You don't need to install variety of apps if you are going for only vlogs video. This phone itself is enough for you. So you see there is a vlog. So this kind of short vlogs, if you're planning for, this phone is for you. And then to the left side there are a lot of variety of options like grid lines, video quality. Video quality, you see it is up to 4K. So easily you can shoot 4K 1080 pixels video from this phone. If you are a YouTuber and you want a phone in your range, then this phone is definitely a go for. You see, I'm just zooming in the pebbles here and showing it to you. It's pretty good. The pebbles are quite hard from me, so the zooming capacity, I can say it's pretty good. The objects seem colorful and sharp, capturing all the colorful beauty of this nature. And then the photographs, it captures good photographs. I'll share with you in coming forward. Then coming to this 48 megapixel quad camera, I'll share with you the photographs I have clicked from this. See, these are the photographs from 48 megapixel and portrait shots. The portrait shots are pretty clear. And it has variety of options as well, editing, filters as well. To each photo, video, everything they have given like 12 to 15 filters, which is really awesome for a phone which is coming in this price. And I'm now shooting a video in night mode. It captures really good. And then this is panorama shots. You just have to move the camera along the arrow mark shown, and this is the photo you will get. And once more I'm sharing with you the night mode. See, the night mode is really good. And also I have shot for you one other video from one other different location in the night mode. You see, the colors are really beautiful. The camera is quite sharp than as usual. That's why the colors look bright. That's a lovely UAE flag. So that's for the camera quality. I will give it an 9.5 out of 10 to the camera. Then the best thing which I liked was the packaging. इसकी जो पैकेजिंग के सारे प्रोडक्ट के थिंग्स है जिसमें ये आते हैं सपोर्ट्स. These supports are not like one time used and thrown ones. These are the ones which you can store with the phone box and make it ready in case it's used in the future. And one more thing I forgot to tell you about is the lock screen. The lock screen, it has wonderful fingerprint lock and also the face recognition. Just with a slight touch, the phone is going to lock and unlock. And definitely not forgetting the battery. You just can charge it for 30 minutes and then you are going to use it for the whole day, 24 hours. I charge my phone. Since I'm using it from last 1 week, I charged it only 2-3 times. I don't have it to charge again and again. So finally, I'm going to tell you the pricing. Actually, I don't want to tell you. I want to show you through the slip I purchased. So this is the bill. See, this is 1300 dirhams without tax. So that means if in India's conversion it's 26,000 Indian rupee. तो इस प्राइस में जो फ़ोन में सारे क्वालिटीज़ दिए गए हैं ये बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा है, 4 टाइम्स ज़्यादा हैं. सो आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड दिस. So that's it for this Saturday special video, guys. If you liked my review, detailed review, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'll see you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.